Hey guys, we received this Polecasa extra large heavy duty laundry bag for test and try. So this is a 130 GSM tear resistant fabric and handles bag. So easy to carry with your dirty clothes or the drawstring bag. So it's great for the college dorm or travel or any other thing. So comes in a pack of two. You can see it's a really nice color and very heavy duty fabric. Stitching and everything is good. It also have this handle and the drawstring. So it's very nice quality bags that I can see it here and really extra large space to store everything. So it's a drawstring end to just close up and just store your clothes and also have these handles. So the pack of two. Once you store in the clothes, you can see it's really get a lot of clothes in it and it's easy to handle or the carry thing as well. So very nice laundry bags.